Start by prepping around 340 grams of beef medallion steaks, thinly slicing before mixing with a mixture of baking soda and soy sauces. Give it a thorough mix and leave it to rest for at least 2 hours. Add your beef to a smoking hot wok and brown through, before adding approximately 4 cloves of chopped garlic, some ginger, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and water, and bring that to a boil. Add a cornflour slurry to thicken the mixture before adding some spring onion greens and mixing through. And now the dish is ready to serve with any accompaniment of choice. Absolutely delicious, sweet, sticky and moreish. If you want to view any further recipes, please click on either of the links to the right. Feel free to comment, like and subscribe, and see you shortly. Stay safe, stay happy and eat well. Good night.